Hi, welcome to my channel.
I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my luck goes.
So today, ang gagawin natin, review is Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Cover Concealer. I'll do a demo then on how to use this product. So if you want to know kung ano yung masasabi ko on this product and kung paano ko siya ginamit, please keep on watching. So, I already prepped my skin. Nakapaglagay na ako ng toner, moisturizer, and this MAC Prep and Prime Essential Oil. This is my current favorite na primer kasi na-moisturize na yung skin ko kasi I have combination skin. So, yung mga dry patches sa face ko nalalagyan niya ng moisture and glow. So far, ito talaga yung favorite ko ngayon na primer. And ang ipapakita lang naman natin today is review and demo ng Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Cover Concealer. So this one, I'll put the description and yung price niya sa description box down below. So this one, kung i-compute mo sa peso, almost 2,000 siya, like around 1,800 to 1,900 pesos siya. So ito yung lalagyan niya. And yung shade ko is number 3, Young. Babasagin siya na pot. And then, if you open this, meron pa siyang cover on top. And then, ayan na siya. Pag tinanggal mo, ayan na yung concealer. 2 days ko na siya nagamit. So, for this one, this is 4.85 grams. Isang ganito. Full cover concealer ang kanyang kiniklaim. Ito-demo muna natin, siya ibibigay yung review niya. Kung ano yung masasabi ko sa kanya mula nung nagamit ko siya for the past 2 days. Alam niyo naman na nagko-corrector ako talaga dun sa mga dati nanonood ng video and dun sa mga bagong nanonood ng video na to. So, pag nagme-makeup talaga ako, I always put corrector under my eyes. Kasi, kahit anong conceal mo under your eyes, kung may discoloration siya, hindi pa rin siya gaano mako-cover. So, there. Ang ginagamit ko madalas na corrector is itong NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Ang shade niya is Light 3 Honey. So, hindi na siya masyadong kita, but this one is may pagka-peach na orangey na shade. And then, using my Real Techniques na sponge, damp sponge, blend lang. And of course, I'll be using this Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation. Ang shade is number 14, Ivory Medium. So, this one is very popular sa mga YouTubers and makeup artists kasi as in talagang full cover foundation siya. After the foundation, I'll go straight to the concealer since ang gagawin naman natin look today is hindi naman siya as in full face na look. Kumbaga, i-demo and review lang natin talaga tong concealer. So, ang masasabi ko sa kanya actually, yung consistency niya is maganda. So, what I do is I use my itong ring finger to get the product. Konting-konti lang. Very creamy siya. And very smooth siya actually. Ang nakaka-disappoint lang sa kanya is hindi siya gaanong ka-full coverage. So, if you can see, lalapit ako. Ganyan siya. I tried using this with a brush, pero hindi siya nag-work with a brush. Parang nadadrag lang siya. So, what I do, para hindi siya masayang, talagang tinatap ko siya sa skin ko para dumikit siya talaga. Kasi, hindi siya, alam mo yan, like with other concealer, pag ilagay mo, tapos i-blend mo, okay na siya. But this one, kailangan mo siyang effortan talaga ilagay. And hindi siya matipid. Hindi siya parang nung foundation na parang konting-konti lang. okay na. Pero with this one, kailangan mo siyang damihan if you want na full cover yung effect niya. So, if you try blending it with a sponge, sobrang dahan-dahan lang. Kasi ang tendency niya naman, mabubura siya.
I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though.
So, ayan. As you can see, hindi siya ganun kakapal. I mean, I tried using this without a corrector. Hindi niya kayang mag-stand alone. Kumbaga, makikita pa rin talaga yung dark circles. I mean, hindi niya kayang mag-stand alone yung product na yun. With the help of the corrector and yung pagka-full coverage ng foundation, kaya siya nagmumukhang full cover ngayon. Pero if you use it with other foundation na hindi full coverage or yung concealer lang, hindi siya talaga full coverage. So, yun yung nakaka-disappoint sa kanya kasi sobrang high expectation ako sa kanya bilang mahal siya na concealer. So, ang experience ko pa dito, kasi I always use this Laura Mercier na translucent powder. So, what I always do is, yung itong side ng Real Techniques na to, yun yung nalalagyan ko ng product. And then, ilalagay ko siya under my eyes. And itong ginagawa kong technique na to, as in, nag-work siya with all of the concealer that I used before. May high-end man siya or hindi, nag-work siya. But, with this one, for some reason, gumagalaw siya. As in, pag binrush off ko siya, magkakaroon siya ng patch somewhere sa ilalim ng mata. So, kailangan gently lang. Hindi mo siya pwedeng i-drag kasi sasama siya. Nakakainis kasi like, sa ibang concealer, hindi naman yun nangyayari sa akin. So, ayan, nilagyan lang ng powder na buong face. Para mag-set. There. So, I'll just finish the rest of my face and then I'll give you again a review of the product.
I just don't know how it slips out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that you
So, there, I'm done with my face. So, simple lang siya. Ang ginawa ko today, walang eyeshadow. So, wala rin falsies. So, ang masasabi ko talaga dun sa concealer is, yun nga, hindi talaga siya as in full coverage. So masasabi kong nagsayang ako ng perang pambili dito. But, for me, I like the consistency. Yung pagka-creamy niya, gusto ko siya pag biniblend. Although, kailangan lang siya i-blend ng mabuti using yung finger para hindi masayang yung product. Kasi I have combination to dry skin. So, for me, okay yung mga creamy products like this one. If you are going to use this with other foundation, just make sure, if talagang may dark circles kayo, make sure to use a corrector. You can use orange or peach tone na concealer. Actually, if you go to a counter, you can ask naman kung ano yung mga ino-offer nila nakatumbas dun sa shade ng mga concealer nila that you can use as a corrector. You don't have to buy as in yung talagang orange or peach, but if you can, better. Or if not, okay na rin yung mga katumbas niyang corrector dun sa shade niya. So, if you are going to buy this, I must say, hindi siya para dun sa mga katulad ko na talagang may mga dark circles sa under eyes. Kung blessed ka with walang masyadong bags or pantay yung kulay niya, or if you're used na gumamit ng mga full coverage foundation, okay to. Kasi may tulong siya dun sa pag-cover niya. Hindi talaga siya full coverage kahit yun yung kiniklaim niya. So, that's it for my review on this Marc Jacobs Full Cover Concealer. So, if you want me to do more reviews, kasi bihira naman ako actually, parang ito yung first ever ko na as in review na video. So, if you want me to do more of this kind of video, please let me know on the comment section below. And kung ano yung mga products na gusto nyo pang i-review ko. Kasi for this one, when I posted this on Instagram, may mga nag-comment. And then when I did IG live, and ito yung ginamit ko, may mga nag-comment din na gawan ko siya ng review. So, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching.
I just don't know how it's lived out. There must be some kind of plan. Every person could be you though.